Okay, so we are going to use the tangent plane script to add a plane that goes on this angled surface. So a big issue we have typically with especially curved surfaces is that we can't create work planes on them to add features. Okay, so a tangent plane is a great option for this. Now you could also do like offset plane. So if I activate some of these planes, you could create an offset plane from here, make your sketch out here, but once you get this angled surface in there, now it's really hard to create an offset plane that matches this surface all the way down to make a sketch. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, and let me delete these. These are from a old demo. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is grab, first of all, I'm gonna hide that back. I'm gonna grab a script tool. Okay, so you're gonna have to add this. I already have one. Mine's right here, this T-plane. Okay, but if you, not to be confused with T-pain, if we click this plus sign right there, okay, and what I want you to search for is just tangent plane. Okay, once you search that, you're going to get a bunch of options. We just want this feature script. Okay, and then you'll click here to add it. I've already added it. Okay, but you'll want to add this tangent plane. You'll see it. It'll pop up right here right away. Okay, once you get that, I'm telling you, it's a couple clicks. So we click tangent plane, click on our surface, and boom, you got a tangent plane. It is glorious. Now, if you needed to specify where that was, you could put a sketch on top, put a point in, and it would make that tangent plane through your point. Okay, so if you really had to specify where it went, and some of you may have that scenario, if so, just let me know. I can make another video specifying where these tangent planes go. Okay, so now that we have a plane, we can make a sketch. Right click, new sketch. Sweet. This is where things get weird. Okay, I need to create the profile of my handle. Okay, now this handle is going to sweep along a path. So let me find the middle of this. Where you at? Oh, I know why. We need another plane through here. There we go. Now we have this other plane. We can kind of see the middle. Okay, so I'm going to put my handle in, and there are more precise ways to do this, but we're doing this for the sake of reinventing a coffee mug and its basic design theories. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to give this a little fillet too. So I did a 2-point center point rectangle right there, by the way. So I'm going to go right here. Okay. Okay. I'm going to finish that sketch. Okay, so that's my profile. Now what I need to do is create a path that I'm going to extrude that along. Okay, so this sketch right here is going to be where I do that. Okay, so now I'm going to do this with a spline tool. I'm going to start right here on the bottom. And the more I click, the more control it has, the more it like follows my points. Let's see how that looks. I gotta tell you, man, splines and some of these paths, whoo, they can be tough. I don't like the way that ended, but we'll see if it works. It might look kind of funky, but we'll see. Let's get that to just touch and we can add some extrusions. I don't like that either. No, we'll leave it. Okay, I gotta stop messing with it. All right, so now what we do is we finish our sketch. We do this sweep. Okay, so right here where it says sweep, we pick this surface. Okay, and then it wants a sweep path. So I click here in the red, say, all right, here's my sweep path. Please work, please work, please work, please work. It doesn't like it. Okay. Oh, it's that end part. Okay, so let's redo that real quick. I kind of thought that might have messed us up. So let's edit this sketch. Let's do our spline tool. Go from the bottom. Let's add a couple points in. Oops. Sweet. Spline tool. This thing's going to look kind of funky. All right, let's see if this works. Sweep. I pick my profile. I click sweep path. I pick my path. Please work. Please work. Heyo. Okay. And there's my mug. Now I got to do some tweaking, probably move that and get a little bit closer. And I'll probably chamfer that, extrude it to make it look like it's actually clay and kind of in there. Now, an easy fix up here is to extrude this surface into your mug. Okay, so just grab your extrude tool, click on this surface, and you don't want to blow it all the way through there, but you could just simply drag this into where it looks right. Okay, you can also do this to next. So instead of being blind, you can do up to next. And boy, it doesn't like that. Merge with all. Did it do it? Oh, come on. Blind. Let's see if it'll do it up to part. Man, I'm losing out today. Maybe because it's already touching. All right, so we'll do just this as a blind instead. And again, we're not building our spaceship today. We're just making a coffee mug. There we go. Then that filled that little gap in. Okay, that's it. Hide all these again. And let's hide this T-plane. And I would probably make all these have the same pretty colors. Assign material or edit appearance. Ah, that's nice. Okay, there we go.